Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aries at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na gusto pong iparating sa iyo, Aries. Pero bago pong lahat, batiin ko po kayo ng advance Happy Valentine's Day. We have Spirit Soul Path, Real Feelings, and Magnetism. Okay, Aries. Now, itong Spirit Soul Path, no, a personal condition within your relationship. Okay, so yung condition nyo, no, very personal talaga. Kasi it's highly spiritual, no, yung spirit soul, parang talagang yung ano nyo na, yung spirit yung dalawa pareho ang nag-uusap dito o nagbubuklod sa inyong dalawa. So, kung gaba, hindi lang ito yung pang physical, no, medyo malalim yung inyong pagsasama o yung nararamdaman sa isa't isa. Now, real feelings, no, totoong damdamin, is all about you share true romantic feelings worth exploring. So, you share true romantic feelings worth sharing. So, pareho yung nararamdaman ito. Sabihin, totoo talaga yung pakiramdam o yung feelings na nararamdaman mo para sa tao na to. Magnetism, there is a gravitational pull to each other. There is this gravitational pull to each other. Wow, ano to? Kung gaba parang hindi mo ma-explain kung bakit ba sobra yung attraction mo dito sa tao na to. Parang hinihila kayo pareho to be together. No, yung kahit na magkalayo kayo o kahit di kayo nagkikita ganun kadalas, hindi nag-uusap ganun kadalas, pero hindi siya mawala-wala sa isip mo. Andun yung sobrang parang attraction sa kanya, do sa person mo, na ang pakiramdam mo hinihila kanya talaga, hinihila yung sarili mo, parang pinupush talaga na parang magsama kayo, magkita kayo muli. Ganun yung sobrang dating. Yung tipong pag nakita mo na siya, hindi mo na maalis yung mata mo sa kanya. Yung titig na titig ka na, ganun yung dating, no? Yung magnetism. Parang na-hook ka na sa kanya. No? Kung titignan mo, you're highly spiritual. No, yung feelings mo medyo talagang kahit magkalayo kayo, nararamdaman mo siya. Maybe because it's so much magnetism dun sa relationship. Bakit? Kasi totoo yung feelings mo eh. You could actually feel yung romantic feelings na towards that person. Okay? Totoo lang. Sa totoo lang, kung gaba. Very nice, Aries. Napakaganda. Let's see sa tarot kung anong mapipick up natin. May jumping card. We have the Seven of Swords. We have the Two of Swords. We have the Three of Cups. we have the Two of Coins or the Two of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Bottom niya, Aries, is the Hangman. Okay? Yung Hangman dito, Aries, this is an energy coming from a Pisces. Okay? So you might be dealing also with the Pisces. Or meron siyang Pisces sa kanyang chart. Now, Hangman is all about staying put, no? Hindi gumagalaw. Kung may stalemate, kung gaba. Walang pagkilos at walang movement. Ngayon, bakit ganon? Kasi ito yung panahon na nag-iisip, tinitignan pa kung ano yung mga ibang anggulo ng sitwasyon o pangyayari. Pwede din na nag-iintay na may mangyari, kung anong susunod na mangyayari. Siyempre, itong posisyon na to mahirap kasi nakataob ka no? Ang normal na tao, di ba, nakatayong ganyan. Pero siya hindi, tinaob niya yung sarili niya. Kasi nga para makita niya yung ibang side ng relationship. Maybe this person is trying to be more analytical, no, sa sitwasyon. But this person is also might be waiting or willing to wait kung ano yung susunod na mangyayari, no? Handa siya na maghintay. Kaya walang movement, no? Walang galaw. And it's been happening for such a long time. Matagal na itong pangyayari na to, Aries. No? Kung tipong ito rin, no? The Seven of Pentacles or the Seven of Coins is a card of waiting. Pag-iintay. So both of this is all about waiting. Waiting na sana hindi ako ma-abandon. Sana hindi ako, alam mo yung bigyan naman ako ng importansya. Kasi ito yung card na parang pinabayaan ka lang. Ayaw mo masayang yung panahon o yung pagkakataon na inintay mo tas nabaliwala lang. No? Parang ganun eh. I think this is what happened. You waited. No, you waited for a long time, but somehow you felt na bigla ka nang iniwan sa ere. Things didn't happen. That's why you decided to walk away. With the Eight of Cups. May nag-walk away, may umalis. Kasi wala namang nangyayari. Nothing's happening. No? Hindi ka pinansin eh. Hindi ka binigyan ng importansya. Nag-intay ka, hindi ka binigyan ng importansya. You waited. So, what else to do? Logical thing to do is to walk away. Now, first card mo dito, Aries, is with the Seven of Swords. Merong nilihim. No? Something has not been said. Something has been kept secret o hindi naging honest sa'yo. Hindi nagsabi, hindi nagsalita. May itinago, may kinubli. No, that was the thing that happened sa nakaraan, sa past. And because of that, naging problema yon, no? Siyempre. So, parang sinarado mo yung puso mo, no? You don't want to decide anymore dito sa relationship na to. And what you decided was to iisara yung puso, no? To close your heart, to not love anymore. At least this a person na to. Yung tipo ba na to reconcile or to talk again, to meet again, which is hindi nangyayari pa eh. So this is what you should do, no? Mag-reconcile. But I don't see it happening. Kasi yung sumunod dito is, yung intention nga is to be able to discuss things, no? To finally see kung ano ba talaga yung mas importante. Kasi you're trying to make up your mind, no? Nagde-decide ka dito with the 2 coins or 2 pentacles na ano ba yung mas bibigyan ko ng importansya. Pera, career, or sabihin natin na career ba o against sa personal life ko. Now, kasi yung outcome dito is you want to be in a relationship, no? Gusto mong meron kang karelasyon. Hopefully nga na mag-lead into marriage pa eh. No? But I think you are trying to decide dito, no? You're trying to decide ano bang bibigyan ko ng halaga? Pera o yung personal life ko? Okay? So, tingnan natin. Bakit andito yung 7 of Swords? At andito yung 7 of Swords. We have the 8 of Cups. The 5 of Coins. And the 7 of Coins. Yung kaninang card natin. No? Mag-shuffle naman tayo pero lumabas pa rin, no? So, talagang dahil nga dito, sa pag hindi sasabi ng totoo, pagkukubli, pagtatago, pagsisinungaling, may umalis. Somebody walk away. Kasi nakita nga niya na hindi siya nabigyan ng importansya. Pagtatago ng isang bagay, paglilihim, is one way of being not given that importance, di ba? Na hindi binigyan ng halaga ang damdamin mo. Hindi binigyan ng halaga yung relationship. Kasi, bakit ka maglilihim? Di ba, in the first place? Bakit mo itatago? Kung alam mong napaka-importante yung dapat mong sabihin sa person. Kung ano man yung rason mo, surely napaka halaga nun o mabigat. Kasi napili mong hindi sabihin. Napili mong itago. Pero ang outcome, ito naging outcome. Ayan, no? May umalis. At nasaktan. Pakiramdam niya, hindi mo siya binigyan ng halaga. Kasi yung tao nag-intay eh. Nag-intay talaga siya. Naging very patient, waiting for that person to open up. That person to say exactly kung ano yung nasa feelings niya, sa damdamin niya. But nothing happened. No? Despite na sa pag-iintay na, walang nangyari. Bakit andito yung 2 of Swords? Oh, so many cards. Bakit andito yung 2 of Swords? Bakit andito yung 2 of Swords? We have the Magician, the 8 of Coins, and the 9 of Cups. I think dahil sa pangyayaring yan, na-decide mo na just to close, to shut down your heart, no? Para bang hindi ko na i-open up yung heart ko sa'yo. Pero, there was this manifestation ng pagdadasal na sana mag-work out pa rin yung relationship. Kung gaba deep inside your heart, kahit na sabihin natin na gumib up ka na dito na wag mo nang mahalin o kasi nag-walk away na nga, nag-walk away ka. Pero deep inside, alam mo yung gusto mo mag-work out pa rin yung relationship mo. At wini-wish mo yon. I've been praying for that. These 2 cards, Nine of Cups is a wish fulfillment. Same with the Magician. You are manifesting that to happen. Na magkatuloy. Na matuloy yung wini-wish mo. You wanted things to work out, no? With the Nine of Coins. Na maayos. May ayos ito. With the Three of Cups, bakit andito siya? Andito yung Three of Cups. You have the High Priestess. We have the Page of Coins. And the Tower. Ano ba yung dapat gawin? Di ba dapat mag-usap muli? Magkita? Mag-date? Para makapag-usap, magharap? Ma-clear yung mga bagay-bagay? You are still in that stage na you are thinking or being silent about it. Tahimik ka pa rin. Nag-o-observe lang, tumitingin-tingin. Waiting for that message, for that solid offer na ipakita sa'yo ng person mo. This is a Pentacle, so you might be really dealing with either a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, o meron siya dito sa kanyang chart. So you're waiting for that solid offer to happen. And this will happen unexpectedly with the Tower. Okay? Aries, mangyayari to na hindi mo inaasahan yung offer na iniintay mo. Or maybe that time na mag-meet kayo o magde-date na kayo. Bakit andito yung Two of Coins? We have the Empress, the Four of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. Ano ba yung tinitignan mo dito? What are you waiting? No? Yung binibigyan ng halaga o tinitimbang. Ano ba yung tinitimbang mo dito? Tinitimbang mo na ikaw to be this successful, this abundant on your own, or to be with someone na talagang masishare mo yung life mo with, someone that truly loves you, for you to be happy, para maging masaya ka, Aries. You know? Yun yung iniisip mo eh. Okay ba ako maging mag-isa and just be an empress on my own? Kasi mapapatunayan ko naman na kaya ko, na magiging abundant din naman ako? Or is it that I should have somebody in my life to share my life with and be happy? But the decision is yours. Bakit andito yung Hierophant? Bakit andito yung Hierophant? We have the Nine of Cups. We have the Nine of Coins. The King of Swords. And the Five of Swords. Yung relationship mo dito that you wanted to be, maybe, in a relationship, or be in a marriage pa nga, parang lumalabas dito na with the Nine of Coins, you prefer to be more by yourself. Single. Gusto mo maging single lang. Logically, yun yung gusto mo mangyari because you feel more, kung ba winner ka pag nag-isa ka lang. Tipong you're better off by yourself rather than being with someone. Rather than being with someone. No, these two cards is all about being with someone. Parang dinicide mo dito na sa mas okay ba? Kasi di ba nag-iisip ka pa dito, parang dito, you don't want to get married anymore. Parang pakiwari ko na inaalis mo na yung idea na it is better off for me to be just single. Less pa yung aking mararamdaman. I could just be working on my own. Mafufulfill ko yon. And I think I will be the one winning the game kung ganon. Or this could mean also na I'm better off by myself, and that's the truth, that I feel more successful pag ganon. Mas lalo ako magiging successful kung mag-isa lang ako. Bakit andito yung Five of Swords? Bakit andito yung Five of Swords? We have the Chariot. And the Star. And the Five of Cups. Pakiwari mo, ikaw yung panalo rito kasi you're moving forward, you're fulfilling your wish na hindi ka na magkaroon ng regret sa buhay. Kasi ano pa i-regret mo kung hindi ka naman in a relationship, di ba? Kung gaba you're playing safe. In other words, ayaw mo na talaga masaktan. Kasi kung ikaw lang mag-isa, wala nang ibang magsasakit o magdudulot ng sakit sa iyong damdamin. Because you're not involved with anyone. It's just yourself. So you parang pinaiiral mo dito yung self-love. Kasi hindi mo naman siguro sasaktan yung sarili mo, di ba? Lalo na kung alam mo nang mahalin ang sarili mo, hindi mo na siya sasaktan. Now, let us see kung ano pang message para sa'yo. It says here, treasure your loved ones. It is important to love others deeply. And physical touch, a tender touch can mean so much. Diba? Yun yung, I think this is what God or universe is saying, na masarap din ang magmahal sa ibang tao, diba? Lalo na kung may humahawak sa'yo. You could feel that, physically, if somebody's holding hands with you, o may nakayakap sa'yo, you feel so loved and secure, diba? And maybe that is what you'll be missing. Definitely missing. Kung nag-iisa ka lang. Diba? If you're single and just looking after yourself. Kaya, I think, the message here is think about it. Pag-isipan mo mabuti. Kasi syempre pag na-inlove ka, totoo naman yung nararamdaman mo eh. And if you met that right one, yung talagang love of your life, mahirap kalimutan kasi nga there's so much magnetism, no? Yung attraction na yun, andun eh. Mahirap kalimutan yun. Mahirap iwasan kung meron ka talagang tunay na nararamdamang pag-ibig sa tao na yun. Diba? Tanong natin, in case magbago isip mo, Aries, and you don't want to be alone anymore. Ayaw mo na tong energy ng 9 of coins. But what you wanted is this, no? The 10 of cups and the 4 of wands. Kung ito na yung energy na gusto mong mangyari, kailan mangyayari ito? Distract yourself from the waiting game. Sabi mong intayin. Don't wait for it. I think this will just happen. Something na hindi mo na-expect. Kasi lumabas din naman dito yung tower eh, di ba? The tower. There's this tower moment. A shocking event na mangyayari sa iyo na hindi mo inaasahan. Kasi there is this thing eh, di ba? That offer. That message. That there will be an offer made. Maybe, di ba? If you change your perspective, yung pag-iisip mo, huwag ka mag-intay. Don't wait. Distract yourself from the waiting game. Huwag mong intayin, no? Go on with your life. Kasi nga, you wanted naman to, being single. Because one day, I think this will happen. Dadating yung message na yun and something na hindi mo inaasahan. Because you didn't wait. You just move on with your life, being single and being happy. Then eventually, this person will come. You will meet. No? Makikita mo to. Yung person mo and you will be happy. Okay? Aries? Now, tingnan natin kung ano yung characteristics ng person mo pag nag-meet kayo. Just to give you an idea. May katungkulan sa trabaho. Wow, a boss. So, medyo, di ba? May sinasabi tong tao na to. May magandang ngiti. Wow, a beautiful smile. Matapang. Meron siguro siyang Leo sa kanyang chart. Honest. That's good. Matulungin. That's very helpful, which is good. Huwag matulungin na taong to, may pagka-earth sign to. Maputi. Wow. So, yun yung characteristics niya. Okay? So, just to give you an idea, Aries, I hope na nakatulong ito. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.